Good day everyone, we are Group 9 and we here to present Human Anatomy Atlas AR. Human Anatomy Atlas AR is an application enabled by combination of the hardware and software technologies that allow digital overlays on the real world. You can use this app in smartphone or tablet. This capture the real world environment and interactive position or orientation in real time. Algorithm like seams, localization, and mapping process. Common input to the map, the physical space, and anchor virtual element precisely to the real objects, such as a human body model. This interrogate with an app specific tools to overlay anatomical data such as muscle, layer, or circulatory system based on user gesture or voice command and learning for image recognition and cloud computing for storing detailed readers. This app from form for educational purposes, allowing user to see thought the body without physical dissection. Human anatomy is a specific study of structure, organization, and physical components of the human body. It examines how body parts are arranged, connected, and function at various levels, from cells to entire system. This field is essential for understanding biology, medicine, and health, drawing from disciplines like physiology and embryology. Comprise 11 primary systems, each with specific roles. First one is integumentary, it for skin and epidermis, regulate temperature. Next is skeletal, for bones and joints. Next is muscular, for muscles. Next is nervous, for brain and nerves. Next is endocrine, for glands. Next is cardiovascular, for heart and blood. Next is lymphatic, lymph nodules and vessels. Next is respiratory, for lungs and airways. Next is digestive, organ. This is for organ from mouth to intestine. Next is unitary, for kidney and bladder. Lastly is the reproductive, for organs for reproduction.
In a Human Anatomy Atlas, AR and VR serve distinct purposes due to their fundamental approaches to reality and immersion. AR, augmented reality, overlays digital content onto the real world, so users see both physical and virtual elements simultaneously. For example, pointing a smartphone at a torso model might reveal animated heartbeats or organ labels superimposed on the real object. Users remain aware of their surroundings, enabling practical, on-the-go learning. This is supported by AR's reliance on real-world anchors as per definitions from sources like the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, which emphasize augmentation over replacement. VR, VR, virtual reality, immerses users in a fully simulated environment, blocking out the real world via headsets. In an Anatomy VR app, users might enter a virtual body, dissecting organs in a controlled 3D space without external distractions. VR requires dedicated hardware like Oculus Quest and focuses on total immersion for detailed exploration, but it isolates users from reality, making it less suitable for real-time physical interactions. The main difference is AR's blend of real and virtual, enhancing perception and VR's full replacement, creating an alternate reality as outlined in comparative studies.
It it is very useful to the society, just like imagine a world where anyone, from curious kids to basic doctors, can peek inside the human body with just a smartphone or AR glasses. That's the magic of a human anatomy atlas in augmented reality. Beyond helping students as biology class, it could empower patients to better understand their own health issues, like visually seeing a heart condition before surgery, making scary medical talks feel more like a friendly chat. First responders in emergencies could quickly reference anatomy to save lives on the spot, and even everyday folks in remote areas without fancy labs could learn about hygiene or first aid through interactive 3D exploration. It's like giving everyone a personal for guide to the body's wonders, fostering empathy, education, and innovation that bring us closer as a society.
Example of how to use this app. That's all. Thank you.